Mispronunciations can sometimes lead to confusion or misunderstandings. Here are a few commonly mispronounced words and their correct pronunciations. Have you heard someone saying entrepreneur? It's a very difficult word, but the correct way to pronounce it is entrepreneur. Strategy. It's not strategy. The correct pronunciation for this word is strategy with a G sound and not G. Have you heard people goofing up or saying infrastructure? Well, it's not infrastructure. The correct way to say this is infrastructure. The ch sound is soft. Synergy. Well, you don't say synergy. The correct pronunciation for this word is synergy. You're supposed to use a softer sound. People often say matrix. It is not matrix. The correct pronunciation is matrix with a soft E sound. Follow us for more such videos.